Hi, my name's Tanya Ashton and I work for Walgreen Boots Alliance, or Boots parent company. Previously, I've spent the last 18 years working for Associated British Foods in their sugar division, making silver spoon sites more sustainable. Actually, I still get a buzz when I think about it, being compared to a host of inspiring leaders, drivers of cultural change, pioneers and innovators. So to be recognised alongside those industry experts is a real privilege. But I also feel that unwelcome imposter syndrome, so it sneaks up on me, and so I have to square myself off and push it back into its box. So I feel a mixture of incredibly proud and incredibly bashful about it. The biggest influence for me and the direction of travel within my manufacturing career has been seeing the unnecessary waste in manufacturing, driven by often miscommunication, poor forecasting, and different agendas between head office and sites. And so what's pushed me is that desire to improve relationships, to incorporate understanding and collaboration between sites and head office, and then having processes in place to deal with those waste. So having outlets in place to take waste product that is actually perfectly fit for human consumption or perfectly fit to be used, ensuring that decision making regarding that would otherwise go to waste is fast and effective and appropriate, and then ensuring that the right people are empowered to make timely decisions is essential. Ultimately, waste hurts your bottom line and your reputation, and if your unused products end up as waste, then in fact they hurt your communities too. So it's really important and has been a real influencer for me to change within our industry. Manufacturing has to set itself up for success in a dynamic and rapidly changing environment. ESG legislation and regulation is coming really fast. So plastic tax, that's hitting us and will have significant impacts to manufacturers who are obviously on receipt of those plastics coming into the country. But there's more to come, and we need to set ourselves up for that and start thinking about it now. Carbon taxation, for example. So I think there are more challenges, increased regulation, increased legislation, and we need to set ourselves up for these. So start thinking about what the future impacts are going to be, rather than being on the back foot and reacting to them, like has happened in regard to the plastic tax in many, many cases. What can we learn from other sectors? Well, I think the sector we can learn mostly from is unicorns, these fresh businesses which are challenging everything that we do, thinking outside the back box, in fact outside of the stratosphere when it comes to the future. So Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock Investments, said that the next 1,000 unicorns, and I quote, written it down, won't be search engines or social media companies. They will be sustainable, scalable innovators. And that sounds to me a lot like manufacturers. He goes on to say that this group of innovators will be helping the world to decarbonise. I think that's an incredibly exciting opportunity for us. Maybe that was him just pinging me a message now. I doubt it. What I would say to them is the choices in manufacture are enormous. They can make, they can innovate, and they can shape. They make our food, our products, they make everything. They innovate to make them better, quicker, slicker, tastier, and of course more sustainable. And they can shape by learning to lead with integrity, by transforming site cultures, and by improving efficiency and productivity. The future's manufacturing.